Magandang araw! Isa ka ba sa mga bata na nahihirapan sa math? Kagaya ng division, I am Teacher Adelpha. I will help you to solve or answer or understand the division. Division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. It is one of the four basic operations of arithmetic which give a fair result of sharing.
Today life. Let's take a look on this division problem. As you can see, there are three numbers and each has a special name. The number being divided is called the dividend. The number that the dividend is divided by is called the divisor. And the result of the division is called the quotient. There are three ways we can write division problems. We could write it like this, or like this, or like this. Don't get confused because all of these ways means the same. Let's try to visualize division. Let's imagine we have 12 balls and 3 people will get the same number of balls. How many balls each person will get if it will be shared equally? To get the answer, you can divide the balls in 3 ways. 12 divided by 3 is equals to 4. Each person should get 4 balls. Division is the opposite of multiplication. We can simply multiply 3 times 4 is equals to 12. This means that our answer is correct. Let's take a look on this example. We have 15 cookies that we need to equally divide it into 3 pupils. So we have 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. To check if our answer is correct, remember that division is the opposite of multiplication. So multiply our divisor to the quotient. So 3 times 5 is equals to 15. Divide 15 by 5. So 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. And 5 times 3 is 15. You can see that this number will give us 4 related facts. If you can remember one of those facts, it is easy to figure out the answer to the others. Next, we have 32 by 8. So 32 divided by 8 is equals to 4. And 8 times 4 is equals to 32. We can also divide 32 divided by 4 is equals to 8. We can multiply 8 times 4 is equals to 32. So we know that the 8 is the right answer to the problem 32 divided by 4. Let's take a look on one more problem. 6 divided by 3 is equals to 2. We can check that by looking some related facts in multiplication. So 3 times 2 is equals to 6. We can also divide 6 to 2, which is 6 divided by 2 is 3, because they are related facts. This time, let's try to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 1 to 2 digit numbers without remainder. In solving this kind of division problem, you need to remember these steps. Compare, divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Let's try to divide 532 by 4. 532 is our dividend and 4 is our divisor. And we're gonna solve for the quotient. Step 1 is to compare the divisor to the first number at the left of the dividend. 5 is greater than 4. If the first digit in the dividend is bigger than the divisor, divide the partial dividend, which is 5, by the divisor 4. The answer is 1. So we will write the quotient 1 above 5. Step 3 is to multiply 1 by the divisor 4. As we know, 4 times 1 is equals to 4, so we write 4 below 5 and then subtract it from 5. So we have 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. Now, bring down the next digit, which is 3. After bringing down the digit, we repeat the steps from 1 to 5 until there are no more digits to bring down. So here we again compare 13 and 4. 13 is greater than 4, so we can now divide 13 by 4. The nearest product in the table of 4 is 12. So we write 3 in the quotient above and then multiply 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Write 12 under 13. Next is subtract 12 from 13, which is equals to 1. Now, bring down the next digit, 2. Here we again compare 12 to 4. 12 is greater than 4, so we can now proceed dividing 12 by 4. The exact product in the multiplication facts is 12. So we can write 3 in the quotient above 2. Then multiply 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Write 12 below 12 and then subtract. So the answer is 0. To check if your answer is correct, multiply the quotient to the divisor and the answer should be the same as the value of the dividend. So 133 times 4, 4 times 3 is 12. We write 2 in the product and then carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12 again, plus 1 is 13. So we write 3 on the product and carry again 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. So the product is 532. As you can see, the product that we got and the dividend are the same. It means that 133. Let's try to solve 1,250